Well guys, that storm just pretty much came out of nowhere and now everything is soaked. So I guess we will finish the other side another day. So what we have left to do to this side is seatbelt to the rear strut into place, just to help prevent something like this happening again. Well, if it does break, stop it from falling out. Then we have to do the rear trailing arm on the other side, which was pretty much the easiest part of this side. And then throw tires on it. And then the back end is pretty much done on this, which is kind of nice. So we'll have to wait for a day where it's not pouring rain. So we'll see you guys back here tomorrow, maybe. Same video though.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
So we got all the rear suspension put onto this thing. Tires are turning. We decided to try to straighten this tire out as much as we can by doing this crazy little zigzaggy do over here. I might try to come in with the forks and straighten this one out a bit more just to try to straighten it out. But maybe with this one right here, this is a solid piece as well. This is not a hollow piece. This one's hollow, this one's solid. Maybe that will make it try to bend a little bit better. I don't know. All kind of guessing at this point in time. But we have clearance. Not a lot of clearance, just a little bit. I'd like to put some bigger rims on the back with some smaller tires, but I just got these ones the other day. I'd like to put something like that back on it. But this car is folding in half back here. The whole frame is rotted out on this thing. So this here should be this car's last run. But it's still holding together. Just have to use the front end a little bit more, I think. But that's funny. A little dippy-doo. We got a bumper on here. Little pieces of oh, that's still hot. Shit. Little pieces of strapping to help hold it on. Just some tack welds here and there to help hold it on. Nothing too spectacular. I believe it's a front bumper off a Caravan. Is it attached to the frame rails? I don't think so, because I think this is the frame rail here. To be honest, I don't even think that's attached to the car anymore. But let's go get the loader. We'll put this thing back on the ground. guess what? We got height again. We're no longer dragging the belly of this thing. Don't worry about that lug nut. You don't need that one. We don't care for you, that one lug nut. But we got a back bumper on. Is it attached to the frame? No, because there is no frame left. All the tires are getting really close. I think we lost maybe 1.5 inches in wheelbase on this thing. But now we can turn all of our attention to what the crap is this. Look at this mess of wiring. So we're gonna be, in the next video, we're gonna be turning our attentions to the inside of this car, which, to be honest, should really stop using the back of this thing. I should really stop using the back of it. I should actually move the gas tank too, to be honest. I should put the gas tank way up there. Well, that's for tomorrow's video. So make sure you guys stay tuned. We're going to be going through, checking some stuff on this, seeing what we can do, what we should do, what we're going to do. But I don't think the back of this car has a whole lot of life left in it. I'll tell you that. I really don't think it does. But thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you back here later on Zach's Workshop. On the next video, we're going to deal with the entire inside of this car, getting it ready and cleaning it all up.